Well, just here walking around the farmer's market for a minute. This is our first time here this year. Well, this is a good time to come to the farmer's market. Not a whole lot of people here yet. And it's a nice, cool, overcast day and no rain. Well, breakfast at Black Bear Diner. Tammy, what did you have?
I had eggs Benedict and the country potatoes and fruit. And it's delicious. I've tried mine.
And I had the Denver omelet with country potatoes, and it looks delicious. Well, we just had breakfast. Now we're just going to go take a little walk on the Stokes Nature Trail. There's Tammy checking out the bridge. And not a whole lot of water coming down it. And Tammy down there playing in the water, which I'm sure is about as close as she's going to get to the water. So I'll take that.